Watch closely. Sometimes the most skilled craftsman can turn the simplest problems into remarkable solutions. One day, a young man was walking down a concrete road wearing his old green flip-flops when the sole suddenly broke. Most people would have thrown the slippers away, but he had a different idea. After returning home, he carefully examined the damaged shoe and began planning a repair. He found a discarded piece of white sponge and ground it into a fine powder. Then he mixed the powder with a strong adhesive, creating a thick paste with impressive bonding properties. Next, he applied the homemade repair compound to the damaged section of the sole, making sure it filled every gap. Using a sharp knife, he carefully trimmed away the excess material, shaping the repair until it looked clean, smooth, and professional. Once the adhesive had set, the repaired slipper looked stronger than ever. To test his work, he put on the refurbished flip-flops and walked confidently across the concrete road. The repaired sole held firmly in place, showing excellent durability and strength. What many people considered useless trash had been given a second life through creativity, patience, and practical skill. This simple repair proved that with the right knowledge, even worn-out items can become useful again. If you enjoy clever DIY repairs, creative craftsmanship, and amazing restoration projects, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible transformations.